Hey guys, it's Diane Mary. I am going to do a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one in a while using all of IT Cosmetics. They're one of my very favorite brands. They have been for years. Just the quality, the coverage, the skincare ingredients inside, I just find them to be amazing. Real quick, this is day 2 hair that's not completely set, but this is like when I have time to do this video. So I did do half my face in the interest of saving time. If you don't know me, my style of doing videos is I film them once straight through, no edits, so I keep it real. I make mistakes, I'm human, I stutter, I say like sometimes a little bit too much maybe, and I am not a professional makeup artist by any stretch of the imagination. I don't claim to be. I learned to do makeup on QVC, watching tutorials, and just practicing really. So half is done. Yeah, half is not done. I do have my mascara on both eyes, so let's just start talking about that first. Actually, I want to show you guys this bag by IT Cosmetics because, I mean, I know you think, oh, big deal, it's a makeup bag, like how great can it be? But this is the most brilliant makeup bag that I've ever come across. So it's cute, it says keep it cool, but the inside is insulated. So especially in the summer like now, when your makeup, especially lipsticks and stuff, could melt in the heat if you're going away overnight or for a few days. It's just an extra layer of protection, and I just think it's absolutely brilliant. So wanted to show that to you. And I have my mascara on both eyes. If you've watched any of my makeup tutorials, you may know that I just don't like doing mascara on camera. No rhyme or reason, but I do have the brand new IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout mascara on both of my eyes, and this stuff is mind-blowing. It's my new holy grail mascara. I'm gonna have a review video just talking about this for a while, so I'll post that below in the comments if you want to check that out, in the description box rather. That's just what the brush looks like. But usually with mascaras, real quick, I usually have to do a lash primer then mascara. This is mascara alone, and my natural lashes are really blonde and really short. This is really like amazing, so be sure to check out the review. Let's get to it. Let's just clip my hair back so when I do apply and stuff you could see everything better. Just clipping it back off my face. Don't love the look, but hopefully just focusing on what I'm doing. Want to put lipstick on first just because my lips look so dull, and this is the IT Cosmetics Vitality Lip Gloss Stain in the shade Je ne sais quoi, and this is like my favorite lip color of all time, my favorite gloss formula. These stains will last through eating, drinking, kissing, and Je ne sais quoi is a unique color to where it morphs with your skin's pH to be your own perfect shade of pink. Love the doe foot applicator. I don't know if you can see, there's like a little hole where the perfect amount of product pulls up, so like that. It's so buttery, fills in lip lines, it's not sticky, it's not tacky. I've gone through so many tubes. Like, I've used up more IT Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi lip products than like anything else ever. Almost done with this too. You're gonna see through the video as time goes on that this is just gonna get darker and be amazing. By the way, I will list everything in the link below, and they're gonna be links where I would get a small commission if you shop through them, which would be so much appreciated and amazing. Let's fix this side of my face. Starting with primer, we are going in with Bye Bye Pores primer, my favorite face primer in a pump. I love it. I really love that this helps mattify the skin. Actually might have used a little too much because I'm only doing half of my face and I'm used to doing my full face. Usually I could do a pump for my full face, but I love that it mattifies the skin. It helps with breakouts. It has skincare in it, and it's so smooth and silky. There's active charcoal in here to help with your pores, and like there's so much great skincare. I went to lunch with one of my friends the other day who is another big IT Cosmetics fan, and she's a few years older than I am. We were both saying how just using IT Cosmetics every single day, how our skin makes us look a lot younger than we are for our age. I'm in my early 30s. People don't believe that. At the boardwalk I played Guess Your Age 2 weeks ago, and they thought I was 25, so that was absolutely beautiful. So I'm tapping it in instead of rubbing it, but love that primer. So the next thing I'm going to do for my foundation, I'm not telling anybody to go out and buy 2 products so that you have to do that. I'm not telling anybody you have to go out and buy any of these products. You like them, they look good to you, go buy them. If not, cool, up to you. So I love mixing the regular CC cream and the matte version. Again, you don't have to. Both products are fantastic on its own, but I should say my skin is combination shine prone, really like acne prone. I could break out like that. It's pretty much under control at this point right now. Knock on wood, I'll probably wake up with a huge breakout tomorrow, but I love them both because this one, in my opinion, the regular is a little more full coverage than the matte version, but it is a little too dewy for my shine prone skin, especially this time of year when it's really high humidity and I sweat even more. But I also really like that not only is this version mattifying, but it has extra ingredients inside to prevent breakouts. Plus I mixed 2 colors. You don't have to. I could use either one, they're fine. I have fair and I have fair light. Even wearing SPF 100 every day when I'm on the beach, or just wearing the SPF 50 in my cosmetics, I feel like incidental sun exposure, I got stuff to cover up, want to be careful. So yeah, so I'm going to do a pump of each. I'm going to do a pump of this one, pump of this one. Oh yeah, me telling you about the sun exposure, meaning that I'm a slightly darker right now than I am in the winter. So again, I should have just kept this to one hand. I'm not used to just applying to half my face. It's a little bit weird, but if I did my whole face, this video would be even longer than it's probably going to be. So go like this. So let's go in with an IT brush. Cosmetics makes my all-time favorite makeup brushes. This is called Heavenly Luxe number 23 dual-ended buff and blend. So there's a big side here, little side here. So I'm going in with this big side. I really love this brush because the bristles, which are cruelty-free synthetic bristles, are like packed very densely, so you can stipple it to get the fullest of coverage. And I like how the corners of this triangle, you could go into all the nooks and crannies of your face. Gets everything. Bring it down to your neck, so your neck just matches the rest of your face. I'm hoping that I know my lighting isn't always the best, and I have a ring light and it's a really bright day, but what are you gonna do? I'm not professional, don't claim to be, so lighting, if you complain about my lighting, I block you. It is what it is. Do a little bit more because I have some redness on my cheeks and I have some hyperpigmentation from when I was a teenager going in the sun and tanning beds without any SPF, you know, not knowing any better and trying to tan. Wish I could go back in time now and be like, hey young Diane, stop that, that is no good for you, but better learning late than never, right? Gotta address that though. Hopefully I'll be able to afford laser soon. Zap that stuff right off my face. For now, we have IT Cosmetics Full Coverage CC Cream to cover it. And also help with other skin stuff. I love how the CC cream has so much skincare inside. So I'm just stippling. Sometimes I stipple way longer than I need to because the brushes just feel so good and soft, and it's kind of like stress relief therapy. Tap, tap, tap. And I do like bringing it under my eye to get the ingredients under my eye area. Oh, by the way, with the new mascara too, I mean, I'll say this in my review video, but my eyes are super sensitive and it doesn't bother them. Oh, I don't have contacts on. People ask me that a lot. I don't wear glasses or anything, but yeah. So regular CC cream, matte CC cream. This was fair light. Just want to go in now with the under eyes. I don't know if you saw before I applied that. My under eyes are quite dark. It's genetic. I sleep a lot, at least I try to. It is what it is. So this is the IT Cosmetics Perfect Lighting Radiance Touch Magic Wand in the shade Radiant Neutral. This is like a secret weapon, kind of. I like to layer this under my concealer for extra brightening in the eye area. You could potentially use this alone if you wanted to in place of concealer, depending on how dark your circles are. It's a click pen, going like that. So I just make a triangle and it's just added coverage and brightness. So I just go like that, close it up so it doesn't gray out. Going in with the middle finger. Usually use the middle or the ring finger, less pressure than the pointer finger because your eye area is really delicate. So picking it on the eyelids too. Do that with the other side. Fix my nose a little. I don't usually do my makeup in this room, so I'm always slightly uncomfortable when I do these videos. Plus putting videos on YouTube and getting tons of mean comments, there's that as well. Going in with my concealer, Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, full coverage, a holy grail concealer, absolute concealer. See guys, I mess up, whatever. The shade is 12.0 Light Sand W. You need so little of this. A little goes a long way. So if you could see, that's what I'm using. Gonna take this and just go down. You could also, if you wanted to, use this too. I don't know, lately, because I've been like doing my makeup really quickly and just getting it done, I've been all about using my fingers. Then I go in with slightly more, just to get that darkness. Bye Bye Under Eyes. Swing a little of this on here. Why do I do my mascara before the rest of my makeup? I know that's another question. It's just because my eyelashes are so super blonde, and to get to the tips sometimes it can get messy because they're so blonde. So if I did my eyeshadow and stuff first, it would mess it up. Tapping it in, and I'm going to close this so it doesn't dry out, and I'm going to set it. Going in with this IT Cosmetics brush that I love for setting my under eyes. It just says IT brushes for Ulta Highlight. It was in a makeup brush set with a makeup bag that had palm trees on it, really cute. It just sets like under eye concealer really well. Using Bye Bye Pores, and I'm going to use this to set my whole face later for makeup that I love. We could see that that's very much panned. I have panned and gone through quite a few of these Bye Bye Pores powders over the years. Yes, I'm bringing powder all the way up to my eyeballs, and I'm not worried about it creasing, settling, flaking, anything, because it is IT Cosmetics. It is talc free, doesn't settle, and it's airbrush silk. There's collagen, silk, peptides, antioxidants in here. So yeah, we could put this guy back in the bag now because we used him. So let's get to the fun messy part. Oh, I took this out just to show you guys. I'm not using it today, but this is the It's Your Beauty award-winning must-have palettes, and I just want to talk to you about makeup that's used and loved. Hey Pans, how are you doing? So that powder I showed you was in here. The bronzer that I'm about to use was in here. There's a cream highlighter. I don't use highlighter really on my face, but I was using it on my lips, is in here. There's some left. And this Bye Bye Pores blush in Je ne sais quoi, same shade as the lips, that's in here, and that I'm still going through, but definitely recommend this to have a 4-in-1, easy to travel with if you want it to thing. But yeah, I love my IT Cosmetics. Alright, so contour, bronzer. We're going to go in with the bronzer I just showed you, just in another palette. This is the Live Love Laugh Vitality Face Disc. This is an older packaging. I'm pretty sure they've repackaged this. They might have even renamed it by now. But it has a huge thing of bronzer, has a powder highlighter, and another pretty shade of a powder blush. The bronzer you can also buy on its own. I actually don't have it on its own at the moment. I should get it because I love contouring with it, because it is a matte bronzer for contour. By the way, this brush, my favorite contour brush in the whole entire wide world. This is the Heavenly Skin One Sweep Wonder brush, and I've been using it. I do actually wash my makeup brushes every single week. I'm very good with that, and I think that has to do with having acne-prone skin. And this one needs to be washed after this video. So I'm just losing the double chin. And I do my contouring and blush very sloppy, and then I clean it up. You know, it's makeup, it's fun. If it comes out that bad, you could just wash it off. Oh, I just hit tiny pan on this. Can you guys see? That just happened, that tiny little silver fleck. So, let's do a ducky face. Go over here. Like I said, it's gonna look really messy, but we're gonna fix it. So, here's here like, wow, this girl's terrible at makeup. I mean, whatever. Go there. A little bit more. Bring it down. Get behind the ear. Done. Just kidding. It was like a restripe. So, for blush, I showed you the Je ne sais quoi Bye Bye Pores blush. Beautiful pink color. But I've been so obsessed with this new shade that I want to go in and use this. So, I'm going to go in with this brush. This is, it says contour. It's from that same set that the other brush was with the palm trees on the makeup bag. Ulta had it. Don't know if it's available. Bye Bye Pores brush. Pink outside the box. Love the name. It's a cool fuchsia color. That might look a little intimidating, but it looks really pretty on the cheeks. It is a cool toned fuchsia pink color that I'm obsessed with, and I'm begging IT Cosmetics product development, make a matching lipstick, make a matching lip gloss, make a matching everything, because this color is just so beautiful. And it's gonna look like way too much blush at first, and you only need a little dab. And I do hold this because this does get fluffy. I do like to hold it like this. So now that it looks like a 3-year-old did my face, we're gonna fix it. Just tapping back there. Where's that brush? We're going back in with the contour. Let's go like that. Go like this. Then we go back in with the foundation brush again. Clearly, I'm not trained professionally. Let's go blend this in. Blend over here. I even go over the, even though I did the powder on my under eye, I even go over that for this. Under here so it's not too dark, especially on my neck. Okay, does it look okay? Hopefully it looks okay, and even with the other side. It's gonna get even more blended once I powder my whole face. So, I didn't really do an intricate makeup eyeshadow look today just because I'm going to be doing the video for the mascara and taking close-up pictures of my eyes, and I want to focus on the mascara. By the way, I have no liner on my inner waterline. That's just the mascara. So I'm just using this powdered highlight shade in this little compact here. Really pretty. Going in with my middle finger again. And we're just going to start at the brow bone and work our way to the lash. When I'm in a rush, this is all I'll do, or I'll take one color and just do a one color like monochrome lid or whatever they want to call it. Nothing fancy, but I will say IT Cosmetics has some gorgeous eyeshadow palettes that I do enjoy, and they're really easy to use. So going in with a little more. I feel like this powder is about to hit pan as well, and it's a really good under brow bone color. And I guess now is the time I should tell you that my eyebrows probably don't look perfect and I probably need to go thread under here, but real life is I only get my eyebrows threaded once a month, and we're almost at that time. So what are you gonna do? That's that. And I do this even quicker when I'm not talking to you guys. You probably figured that out. Let's set the whole face. We're almost done. Going in with this gigantic IT Cosmetics fluffy brush. This brush has no name other than amazing, which is what I call it. Super soft. This is probably one of the first IT Cosmetics brushes that I ever got. Going in with what's left of this Bye Bye Pores compact. It's just like, until you've like set your makeup with a giant IT Cosmetics fluffy brush, have you even ever really lived life to the fullest? Just kidding. Kind of. But just stippling it. I like to stipple it instead of going back and forth, just so like it doesn't mess the contour and the blush and all that good stuff. And then I go like this. Well, I go like this to get all this out of here, but because my forehead and even right above my eyebrows get really extra shiny, I like to concentrate it over there. So it's on my nose. And let's just do the brows, and then I do more. Again, no rhyme or reason. This is the IT Cosmetics Brow Powerful Pencil. I lost this side of my cap. Universal color. It gets darker or lighter by how much pressure that you use. I really like the tip of this. I really like the triangle to mimic your natural brow hairs. And let's fix this eyebrow. And because my almost on my lashes, because my brows are so blonde, I have to be really careful, because if I push too hard, my eyebrows will look too dark, and that will not look right on me. But really easy to do. I like that these pencils and IT Cosmetics brow products not only stick to the hair, they also stick to the skin, which is problems I've had trying other brow brands, is that my tails are thinner than the rest of my tails are thinner than the rest of my brows. So I need to thicken them. Although I've been using castor oil every night on my eyebrows, and I feel like it's helping my natural tails grow back, which is really awesome. Cleaning that up, that wasn't supposed to go there. How's that? Is that alright, guys? Does that look like it matches the other side? Brows are sisters, not twins. Someone said that, not me. So it's not a me quote. It's gonna go in with this little poof, which my friend who did my makeup for my wedding, Caitlin, gave me some of these, and they're amazing. Just to help set. Do my nose. Side's still set. So yeah, that's it. Wow, this video was 20 minutes. Didn't think it was going to be much shorter, hence why I only did half my face. Hair still setting. See that color? But I do, you know what? Put on a drop more lip gloss, just because with my foundation and stuff might have went over my lips. What's the right side of this? Oh, did I even tell you guys I had a mirror right here? So if you saw me like looking that way, that's what was going on. But full face of IT Cosmetics. It's great that it's gonna last all day, even in the heat and humidity. My skin's getting treated with skincare as it covered everything that needed to be covered. And yes, I know my skin could be a lot worse. I don't have a whole lot to cover, but still, you know, we're all insecure about things on our own faces. So hopefully you did like this tutorial. If you watched the whole thing, thank you. Thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe. That would mean so much. Check me out on Instagram too. I'd love for you to follow me there. And I'll see you next video. Oh, by the way, if you do like these bracelets that I'm wearing, these are from a company called Sashka Co. They are made by women in Nepal, and every purchase helps to go give these women jobs and help them live like a very nice, sustainable life. They have a lifetime guarantee, fit guarantee, so nothing will happen to them. And I do have a link below. If you do shop through it, I make a couple pennies. The company sent me the link, like, hey, if your followers want to use it. So if you want to, awesome. If not, no worries. So, alright guys, I'll see you next video. Bye.